If you've been seeing the Grammarly AI icon pop up on your laptop and it's getting in the way while you type, this video is going to show you exactly how to hide it quickly and easily. Whether it's appearing in your browser on websites or inside Microsoft Word, there are a couple of simple ways to turn it off without uninstalling anything. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. First, let's talk about the browser extension widget. If the Grammarly icon is showing up while you're typing on a web page, look at the top right corner of your browser and click the Grammarly extension icon. This opens the extension controls. From here, find the option that says Check Text on this website. If you toggle that off, Grammarly will stop showing the icon on that specific web page. This is the fastest way to hide it if you only want it gone on one site and not everywhere. So if the widget is distracting you on a certain page, this is the setting you want to use. Once you switch it off, go back to the page and the icon should disappear or stop actively showing suggestions there. Now, if you're using Microsoft Word, the process is just as simple. Grammarly often shows a floating green G widget inside your document while you type. To hide that, move your cursor over the widget, right-click it, and you'll see a few options appear. If you want to keep Grammarly installed but stop it from showing suggestions in Word, choose Turn Off Suggestions in Microsoft Word. That will hide the widget in Word while keeping the app available elsewhere. If you want to go a step further and shut Grammarly down completely, you can click Quit Grammarly instead. That closes the desktop application and removes the icon from your Word window entirely. This is useful if you want a completely distraction-free writing session or if the widget keeps appearing when you don't need it. So, just to recap, if the Grammarly icon is showing in your browser, use the extension menu and turn off Check Text on this website. If it's showing inside Microsoft Word, right-click the floating G and either turn off suggestions in Microsoft Word or quit Grammarly completely. These two methods cover the most common ways the icon appears on a laptop, and they're both easy to reverse later if you change your mind. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.